Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. The result is superior performance throughout the equipment life cycle, performance that puts you ahead of competition. Here we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on Alfa Laval Unique mixproof seat clean valves using our service kits with genuine spare parts. Remember, always read the instruction manual thoroughly to cover all maintenance steps, since this video only shows you some of the steps. To maintain the Alfa Laval Unique mixproof seat clean valves, these tools are required. Each Alfa Laval service kit contains all the spare parts you need. How to replace the axial seal. Carefully cut and remove the old axial seal ring using a knife, screwdriver or similar tool. Be sure to avoid scratching the surfaces. Lubricate the replacement axial plug seal and pre-mount the seal ring. Please refer to the instruction manual for details. Take the special tool for the axial seal. Open the tool. Place the upper plug with seal into the tool opening. Then put the tool cover on and secure the tool by tightening the clamp ring. Connect the air hose and turn on the air. Then turn it off and remove the air hose. Now remove the tool and inspect that the axial seal is correctly positioned in the upper plug. Finally, take a small screwdriver and carefully release the air from the backside of the axial seal, taking care to avoid damaging the seal or plug.